This is an Inner Store Plus half carousel. This one's mounted in a 900mm cabinet. It's also available for 1,000. It can be mounted either on the left or the right. It comes with 2 trays, each one taking a maximum of 15 kilos. The bottom one pulls out smoothly with the door, and the top one pulls out manually when you need it. And this can be retrofitted into a pre-assembled cabinet. In this video, I'll be showing you the installation process for this. So first, get all of your bits and pieces out and make sure that everything tallies up with the instructions if you've got everything that you need. For this, you will need a drill and a screwdriver. So firstly, you need to line up your template with your centre post. If you've already positioned your bottom hinge mounting plate, then you'll have to take this off, otherwise it will interfere with your positioning. So line the template up and put your pilot holes in. And the same for the top of the template. You can then position your bottom mounting plate. This will only go in one way round, and screw it into position. Now's the easiest time to fix your hinge mounting plate. You now need to attach your opening rail to one of the tray supports. If this is sat inside, it will pivot round like that. So your opening rail needs to go this side. If it's being mounted in a left-handed cabinet, then you would mount it on the other side. So this just sits on there and screws into position. You can now start to assemble the components on the pole. So if you put a rod in through the bottom hole, this one must be in the bottom. With a bush over the top, which locates over the top of that pin. You then put the tray support on that you've just attached the arm to. And then you can repeat this at a height that suits further up the pole to the other tray support. So your rod, bush over the top, tray support. You then put your final rod in the very top hole with the last bush. You can then push the rubber bung into the top. You can then take the entire assembly and place it inside the cabinet. It locates over the top of the mounting plate. You can then put the top bracket in position, clips over the top here, lines up with the holes and screw into position. You can then put your trays into position. If you pull the bottom arm out, it sits over the top and clicks into position. And then repeat this with the top one. Next, you're ready to attach your tray opening bracket. So if you hook this underneath the arm there, and if you slide this out, you can position the bracket where you want it. We suggest this be on the centre line of the door, and you can then screw this in position. If you then open the bottom tray again, you can lift this into the correct position. So this is a finished product. It will give you many years of service as long as you take care of it. Don't overload the unit, and only use mild detergent when cleaning it. Thank you for watching.